United States Department of Agriculture logo. Baked tilapia fish fillets. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 15 minutes to prep, and 15 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine a 1/3 cup of seasoned whole wheat breadcrumbs and 1 1/4 teaspoon of herbes de Provence. Stir. Prepare 6 pieces of tilapia that are 3 ounces each. Check for bones by running your fingers over the fillets. Get out a baking rack and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Place the tilapia fillets on the baking rack. Using 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, lightly coat the top of each piece of fish. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture on the top of the coated fillets. Place the baking rack in the preheated oven. Bake for 15 minutes. Check the temperature of the tilapia fillets. The internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Serve 1 fillet. The CACFP crediting for baked tilapia fish fillets for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 1 fillet. It provides 2-ounce equivalent meat. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.